So, I think I have an idea. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Just a man and his deuce and a half. And you know, I was trying to, I've been trying to move this tree. Y'all have seen the videos. I think I made 2 attempts at it. Both failed attempts. I had many people tell me exactly what I was doing wrong, and yeah, I think what I was doing really wrong was the fact that this tree probably weighs a couple thousand pounds. Because it is a big tree. Looks like half of the big root wad that was the tree is now falling off. So let me just show you this tree. So you see this tree. Now it has seen better days, which it was dead whenever we made it fall. But this root wad is taller than me. But it seems that part of it finally collapsed off. I mean, there's at least 1,000 pounds of dirt right there. That's what I'm figuring. I'm a mathematician, let me tell you. Yeah, that's at least 1,000 pounds. I mean, maybe more, maybe less, who knows? I don't really care. But I need to move this tree. Gee, I wonder what I could do. Let me think about that for a second. So, I think I have an idea. Yeah. Let's use the big boy. This is going to be good. All right. How about let's go get ready to move a tree. Let's do this. All right. How hard can it be to pull a tree down a hill? We'll find out. All right. Yeah. What could possibly go wrong parking right here? Something's gonna give. Yeah, I'm sure this is not the right way to do it either. Y'all, make sure you comment below exactly everything I'm doing wrong. Yeah. But just so you know, I'm gonna have fun either way. All right. Chain and strap are tight. We are up against the tree. We're in low range. And we're in first gear. How did we already lose all my air pressure? Oh, I ain't good. I must have it early. I know I'm gonna show the video from the back. That's my backup camera. Yeah. trucks, that's almost a must. Can't trust anybody. Alright, we got air. Here we go. What's the worst that could happen? Alright, don't say it. Oh yeah. It's moving. And it's tearing my yard up. That's uncalled for. Oh, come on, man. We gotta get out of my yard. Ain't but just a handful of things that could beat the power of a Deuce, and that's just a bigger Deuce. 5 ton, 7 ton, 10 ton. Well, they got a 20 ton too, I think. I don't think those are street legal. Of course, these poor things aren't much for street legal anymore. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't think you can tell where it came from. The wife wanted it moved. Hope she don't mind the ditch I dug to get it back here. But hey, so why we own a Deuce? I mean, it does its occasional car show, not much. Parades, as much as I can get in it when I ain't working. But yeah, all this heavy manual labor, this thing is huge. I mean, it's still, what, 20 foot long, give or take? I mean, it's longer than the Deuce. So, but the only thing that allowed this to happen was the fact that this root wad, which was taller than me, is now shorter than me. So anyway, I appreciate each and every one of you out there that support my channel and that support all the Deuce owners, military truck owners, and such. I'm going to try to get my dad out here, who's a Vietnam vet. I'm going to see if he wants to help me change the boots on this truck. I think that'll be kind of cool. My dad used to drive a 5-ton over at Vietnam. Showed me pictures of that. And yeah, as much as it is cool to own this, I imagine back in those days, it was not as cool as it is today. But anyway, that is going to do it for the Deuce. Basically, just going to unchain this thing and put the old girl back under the garage. And yeah, I just wanted to share moving this with you guys because, hey, I know there's a lot of you out there that do enjoy seeing these monster machines work their tail off. And anyway, this truck is a 1971, so it is 55 years old. I mean, and it's still going strong. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, be sure to subscribe if you're not already. I'd like to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm less than 100 away. We'll see y'all in the next Deuce video. Bye for now.